Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we're checking out this Keratin hair mask by MAREE. This was sent to me as a gift to check out and review with you. I just finished it. Check out my hair. Like it just is so healthy and happy. Watch the whole process here. Okay, here is before we wash and deep condition using the MAREE Keratin hair mask. You can see I've got some natural curl in my hair. And I do highlight my hair, and so it does get a little bit dry. It is very fine. And so let's see how this does on my fine hair. Okay, so following the directions, it says to wash and condition your hair as normal, towel dry it. So we have that here. I'm just gonna run a wide tooth comb through it. We're gonna put a cape on and apply the mask. Okay, typically you're going to be doing this in the shower, so you're not going to need to have like a cape or anything. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes because it's going to be a lot easier if you're already naked and wet in the shower or bath. So let's get this on. I am actually loving all of MAREE's products, their skincare. Like I am so excited to try this because everything that I've tried has been so good. So like such a long list of things they do not put in their stuff. The ingredients are good, and this one smells amazing. It smells like coconut, just because there's coconut oil in there. It's not from fragrance or anything like that, which I love. So the instructions say to avoid the roots and scalp. So we're gonna just work this in small sections at a time. And then we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Now, you can just leave it loose. I probably will leave it loose, or you can wrap it in a warm, damp towel for maximum benefits. That's what it says on the box. So let's get this applied and see how it works. Okay, we got it applied. That didn't take very long. I do have very fine hair, but I do have a lot of it. And as you can see, I just kind of worked it in. It does, like you can feel the weight of it, but it's not like, it's actually not very drippy, which is good. I'm gonna actually just kind of twist this up, and we're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and blow dry this sucker. So stay tuned. Okay, time to rinse. My hair feels so soft, like it feels like silk. I think your hair would feel awesome even if you just let it air dry, but we're gonna blow dry this because I wanna see how my hair blows out with this, because I typically do blow my hair out because I do have naturally curly hair and I prefer to wear a more straight style. So let's see how it does. I am putting my favorite heat protectant on, but that's the only thing I'm putting on. Okay, it is all dry. It is so soft. You can still see like it really is not too frizzy either. I'm gonna straighten it just to get it a little bit like flatter, but honestly, I could leave it like this and it would be awesome. So this is definitely going into my regular weekly routine. Okay, it curled so nicely. It feels like you can just see how like the shine and just how happy the hair is doing after this mask. So completely in love, new favorite. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I do.